You are about to enter the courtroom of Judge
Jelle.
The people are real. The cases are real. The rulings are final. This is Judge
Jelle.
All right. The Court of Alabama is now in session. Honorable Judge Jelle presiding. Please be seated.
How you all? Calling case number 42891 of the state of Alabama versus Anthony McKay. Is the prosecution ready?
Yes, Your Honor.
Is the defense ready?
Yes, Your Honor.
We will now hear the opening statements of the prosecution.
Thank you, Your Honor. My name is Ashley Johnson and I will be representing the state of Alabama today. Today you will hear how Anthony McKay, the defendant of this case, crashed his bike into another man and proceeded to stab him with a broken bottle. And we will prove that he was the one who did it. That's why we ask for a verdict of guilty.
Would the defense like to give their opening now, or would you all like to wait for the prosecution to make the case?
We would like to give our opening statement now, Your Honor. My name is Bataafs Lyceum, and I will represent the defendant, Anthony McKay. Anthony McKay is accused of manslaughter of the second degree. However, he didn't do it. The evidence is placing him at the crime scene is fake. That's why we ask for a verdict of guilt, of not guilty.
Thank you. Prosecution, you may call the first witness.
Thank you, Your Honor. The prosecution calls T. Sweeterman to the stand.
Will the witness please stand to be sworn by the clerk?
Please raise your right hands. Do you swear to tell the truth?
I
The
do.
whole truth? And nothing but the truth?
I do.
Can you please introduce yourself?
Yes, my name is T. Sweeterman and I have a job as a bartender in a local pub.
Can you please tell us where you were on the night of June 9th?
If I remember correctly, I was at a party and went home after that.
Did you see anything happen?
Yes, I saw an accident happen.
Can you be more precise?
I saw two people on a bike crash into each other. One of them looked pretty shabby and drunk, and he had a black jacket with yellow Adidas stripes on it. When the guys fell on the ground, one of them smashed an empty bottle of whiskey on the ground and stabbed the other guy with it.
What did you do when you saw it?
I got scared and I ran straight to home. I turned myself in next morning when I saw the news.
And who was the man you saw using the broken bottle?
He's sitting right there. I later found out it was Anthony McKay.
Thank you, I have no further questions.
The defense may cross-examine the witness.
Thank you, Your Honor. Can you tell us where you came from again?
If I remember correctly, I came from a party at a friend's house.
And why didn't you call the police right after the incident?
I don't know, I guess I froze.
Or was it because you took something in at the party? I have no further questions.
Does the prosecution like to redirect?
Yes, Your Honor. As you can see, there is no evidence of T. Sweeterman being under the influence of a drug. I have no further questions.
Does the defense like to redirect?
No, Your Honor.
You may sit down. Does the prosecution have any more witnesses to call?
No, Your Honor, the prosecution rests.
Will the defense please call the first witness?
Yes, I do. I would like to call Ms. Albers to the stand.
Will the witness please stand to be sworn by the clerk?
Please raise your right hand. Do you swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
I do.
Can you please introduce yourself?
My name is Madison Melbus, and I'm currently going to college.
And where were you on the night of the 9th of June?
At the same party T. Sweeterman was.
Did you see him there?
Yes, I did.
What did he look like?
He looked like he was under the influence. He wasn't walking straight, and he almost tripped twice. He couldn't speak.
Thank you. I have no further questions.
Okay. Does the prosecution wish to cross-examine the witness?
Yes, Your Honor. Was Steve Butterman so under the influence that he couldn't perceive things good?
I don't know. I don't think so.
Thank you. I have no further questions.
Does the defense have any more witnesses to call?
No, Your Honor. I would like to call the defendants to the state, Anthony McKay.
Will the defendant please stand to be sworn by the clerk?
Will you please raise your right hand? Do you swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
I do.
Can you please introduce yourself?
My name is Anton McKay. I'm the dishwasher at the local Burger King.
And what were you doing at the night of the 9th of June?
I was working till 11 p.m. After I was done, I went home and I just had a few drinks, saw a movie, and went to bed.
Do you remember anything else?
No.
Have you ever seen the victim before?
No, I haven't.
How much liquor did you take?
Not enough to get drunk, but a few glasses.
What was it you drank?
Whiskey.
Okay. Thank you. I have no further questions.
Does the prosecution wish to cross-examine the defendant?
No, Your Honor.
You may be seated. Does the defense have any more witnesses to call?
No, Your Honor. The defense rests.
Thank you. Does someone want something to say before the closing statements?
Yes, Your Honor. I have still one piece of evidence. A video of the happenings of June the 9th.
Thank you. We will now hear the closing statements. Prosecution, you may begin.
Thank you, Your Honor. First of all, we have video evidence of the crime taking place. Second of all, we have a witness who saw Anton McKay at the crime scene. That's why we asked for a verdict of guilty.
Thank you. The defense now may start their closing statement.
Thank you, Your Honor. The evidence of the prosecution is not enough to incriminate Anthony McKay. The witness of the prosecution was under the influence of something, we don't know what, but it was clear he was under influence, so we can't call him a witness. Also, the video, Anthony McKay is not identifiable on the video video wasn't clear enough to see if it was Anson McKay. So we asked for a verdict of not guilty.
All right, the court will now be in recess while the judge elaborates.
All rise. Court case 42891 is now in session. Honorable Judge Jelle presiding.
Thank you, you may be seated. We have reached the verdict. In case number 42891, the state of Alabama versus Anson McKay, at the charge of murder in the second degree, we found the defendant guilty.